What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, back at it again. Y'all see, I'm in the kitchen today. Yes, indeed. And what I have on is amazing. Let me tell you all about this amazing mask. But before I do that, I'd like to welcome all the newcomers. Welcome into Beauty by Sweet Angel. Over here, we talk about beauty. We talk about beauty. And then we talk about some more beauty. Yes, we do, babies. Listen, today's mask I want to share with y'all is super amazing. And for the newcomers, you're going to soon find out. Oh my goodness. If it's going to go down, it's going to go down over here. Why don't y'all go ahead and smash the like button right away. Subscribe to the channel because every single day is more to come. But right now, let me show you what's in this amazing mask that is going to do what? All of this.
Make you look like you're 16 all over again. Oh my goodness. This one has so many great benefits. You're going to be absolutely amazed at the results. What's in here is going to brighten your skin. Your skin is going to look wrinkle-free over time. You're talking about removing hyperpigmentation. This one has it. And guess what? It contains a high percentage of collagen, which is going to help delay the signs of aging. Do I need to say more, or should I just go ahead and let you know all of the amazing benefits here? We are here to tell you the details. You need the details because you need to know, why am I using this facial mask? Well, I'm here to give it to you. I'm here to tell you that it's going to give you a glow out of this world. Your skin is going to feel like silk. Let's get to it. So let me show you how to mix it up. I will be making use of 2 tablespoons of rice. The rice we're going to boil and soften it up, and we're also going to be making use of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We'll be taking milk. If you have whole milk, it'll be perfect. 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, or you can use powder, but you will have to add water to the mix. And we will also be taking a banana. And I will be making use of 1/4 of the banana. We're going to be using the actual banana meat plus the peel. Now it's time to mix up some things. We're going to take the cooked rice and also the chopped bananas and the 2 tablespoons of milk, add them into the blender, and we're going to blend with this hand blender that I found on Amazon. I think y'all have seen it before, but I will list it down in the description box if you want to check this out. So once it's finished blending and it's all nice and smooth, we will then put it in a bowl and add in our 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And your mix should look something like this. If you want it a little bit more liquefied, just add in a little bit more milk to the bowl. Now we're almost ready to apply, but remember, always start with a clean face. I will be washing my face using my Rice Water Bright, how befitting, my Rice Water Bright that I get from Amazon. You can also get it off of my Avon website, so check it out there. I'm just going to go ahead and cleanse the face really well, and then we'll be ready to apply this face mask. And this is it, beautiful babes. Look, let me just talk about, as I apply this face pack to my face, exactly what you're getting with all of these ingredients. Now let's just talk about the rice for a moment. And rice has been known to soothe the skin from sun damage. It has antioxidant rich properties in it, and it acts as a natural sunscreen and protects the skin against UV rays. It also works wonders in reducing inflammation, itching, and even redness. This mask also contains milk. Now, the proteins found naturally in milk help to boost the elasticity of our skin so we get fewer wrinkles and they develop slower. Milk also contains retinol, an antioxidant, and vitamin D, which can help protect our skins from damaging sun rays as well. Now, bananas and banana peels, okay? Many people simply rub banana peels on their face, which I'm one of those folks. And if you did not know, banana peels are just as nutrient rich as the banana. The banana in here will work as a natural moisturizer. It'll also help reduce puffiness and redness and even irritation on the skin. And then I also added cornstarch powder, which is known to improve the skin's absorption abilities and is often used to dry out breakouts without causing dryness or irritation on the skin. All of these ingredients working together will help make our skin look more youthful. Now, when I applied it, I did go ahead and massage it in. This will help to slightly exfoliate my skin as well as to help the ingredients penetrate.
All right, she's back and she's tighter than ever. Oh my gosh, it's super tight. And now we're gonna rinse this off, y'all, and let you see what you see. Woo! Okay. Oh my gosh. My skin feels like cotton. Well, I don't know. It's soft. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful babes, I will be the first to admit nothing compares to natural skincare treatments. It's just amazing what you can find right at home that will just change your skin. This feels so amazing on my skin. I can visibly see, what it did for my skin immediately. The firming, the smoothing, the brightening. My skin tone is more unified. All the small wrinkles are reduced and it looks fresh. And over time, you'll see that the hyperpigmentation problems will be lessened. And you can use this not only on the face, but try it on other areas that are darkened as well. If you really want to take it up a notch, feel free to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice to this, and my goodness, what you're gonna have is some extraordinary face mask that's going to be delightful. Use this one once a week. That's all you'll need, once a week, and you can store the remaining amounts, that's whatever is left over. Just put it in the airtight container. It'll last up to about a week in the refrigerator. So this is it. I love it so much. I love it. I am not the originator of this one. It's around in different forms and fashions, but even with that, baby, you are going to love what it does, and I know I do. So take it for what it's worth. Try it out. Everything that you need is in the description box. Take a look there for the ingredients. Any products that I use that you may be interested in, you'll find the links in the description box. So please take a look there, and oh my goodness, enjoy it.
Look at it glow. Look at it glow. Yes, indeed. Look at the skin. Loving it so much. Now, right after you rinse this off, make sure you go ahead and moisturize. That's very important. You want to lock in what you just put down on the skin. And baby, what did I say? Yeah, glowing. Reducing pigmentation? Yes. Reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Tightening the skin and tightening those enlarged pores. It does it all. That's it. That's all, beautiful babes. If it gets any better than this, you'll find it on my channel for sure. I will see y'all on the next one. Take care. If you do this facial mask, please let me know down in the comments. Yes, drop your comments down there. If you don't have anything to say, please drop me some hearts. And beautiful babes, I will see you on the next one. If you can't use this recipe, please share it with a friend. And as I always say, let everybody know where you've been hanging out at. Please share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye now.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.